Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey friends! Today, we're going to draw a colorful mixer truck. Let's begin! First, let's draw the front look of the truck, starting with the cabin. Add the windows and the front lights.
Oh,
Next, draw the front wheel and mudguard.
Okay.
The fuel tank on the side.
Okay.
Now, let's draw the second and third wheels at the back of the truck. Draw the rest of the cabin and the large mixer drum at the back. I put some details here. The mixer truck drawing is done. Now it's time to color. First, use red for the front look of the truck. Next, color the side panel green. For window frame, I use maroon. For the window glass, use sky blue to give it a shiny look. I use orange for lights.
oh,
Now, color the mudguard deep blue for a bold touch.
Okay.
Use orange for the bottom part of the truck.
oh, that.
Color the fuel tank red to make it stand out. For the mixer drum, use a magenta shade to make it vibrant. Add yellow to the drum stripe lines for contrast.
Nice.
I use light orange for backside of the truck.
Nice.
I use here green.
Nice.
I use here light brown and deep orange. I use here blue.
Wow.
Color the tires maroon to give them a solid look.
That.
I use yellow for rims. Wow! This mixer truck looks so colorful and fun.
Nice.
Now add a black outline. Thanks for drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more awesome videos. Bye!